Hello everyone, and welcome back to Let's Talk Tech, brought to you by Sine Wave Technologies. In today's video, we are going to talk about out-of-band management and how it's important to be able to reach your equipment virtually and physically when things go bad. Just a few weeks ago, on October 4th, 2021, Facebook endured an outage due to problems with their data centers becoming disconnected from one another. Because of this incident, it prevented many of Facebook's engineers from gaining access into their facilities, and Facebook was globally unavailable for around 6 to 7 hours. Facebook released an article later that day that stated, "The underlying cause of this outage also impacted many of the internal tools and systems we use in our day-to-day operations, complicating our attempts to quickly diagnose and resolve the problem." Though I am sure many components led to the severity of the issue, the fact of the matter is it probably could have been solved a lot quicker if their employees had access to their equipment sooner. Which got me thinking about this week's topic, out-of-band management. So what is out-of-band management? It's pretty similar to how it sounds. Out-of-band management utilizes a dedicated network port for remote management of a server. This service equipment allows you to connect to your remote systems such as servers, routers, and switches without having to be at the physical location. If you need to manage your equipment, instead of having to use the main VPN or needing to go to the actual location of the equipment, you can access it off-site. Why do you need out-of-band management? There are two major reasons that come to mind, and the first is security. The way most networks are designed, they allow data plane traffic and management plane traffic to share the same ISP link. This main ISP is where the web traffic goes, VPN traffic goes, how emails are sent, etc. With out-of-band management, a separate secondary link is used separate from the main one, allowing extra security. Let's say your management ports are connected to your normal network. If there is a breach or failure, you could lose all access. However, if your management ports were connected to a separate out-of-band system, there would be no way for the LAN to have access to the management tools on that equipment, keeping your access secured. Second, what if something happens to the equipment that does not allow access? For example, the main internet connection being down, but the company still needs to continue running. Having out-of-band management gives you a way to connect even when things are not working due to either issue of equipment failure, configuration failure, or attack, and being able to determine the issue or recover from the issue without having to be physically at the equipment, resulting in quicker response times. Well, that's all for today's video. If you've enjoyed this series so far and want to learn more about technology, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified about our next video. If you have any further questions or just want to follow along to learn more tech, check out our social media linked below in the description or take a look at our website at sinewavetech.com. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I will see you next week on Let's Talk Tech.